If you want to edit, view, sign, or customize your PDF files, Adobe Acrobat is one of the best tools available. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to download and install it on your Windows PC in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. If you want more tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Open your web browser and search for Adobe Acrobat free download. Click the official Adobe website, which usually appears among the top search results. Once the page opens, click the blue download button. The download should start automatically after a few seconds. The file being downloaded is an online installer for Adobe Acrobat. When the download is complete, open the installer file. The installation process will begin, and the required files will be downloaded from the internet. Make sure you have a stable internet connection during this step. After the download reaches 100%, the installation will start automatically. Once the installation is finished, click Finish. Adobe Acrobat will then be set as the default application for opening PDF files, if you choose that option. That's it. The installation is complete. Enjoy your 7-day trial of Adobe Acrobat.